right, we've been given a particular scenario where we need to load some project data into CA PPM. The first step we're going to do is we're going to open our Excel interface. Okay? And what we need to do is we need to send the end users a template that they must then populate to be able to send us the data that we can now send back into CA PPM. So I'm going to go to the button and I'm going to say create template and I'm going to say projects. Okay? And this basically provides me all of the headers that we need. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this file. And then I'm going to open up my Outlook and I'm going to email this particular template to the end users. All right, at this point we have now received the template that's been populated by the end users, and now we want to upload it into CA PPM. So what we're going to do is in the get data, instead of saying from Clarity, we're going to say from template. So here I'm going to say get, and I'm going to get project data since it's the project information that we're interested in uploading. And I'm going to say project template. So this is our data as it's been populated by our end users. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to validate to make sure that they populated the data correctly, to make sure that there's no ZOG errors. And as you notice, there are some end users that do not exist as managers, so I'm going to fix this data. And I'm going to make sure that there's no other errors, and then load. And we have now been able to load data from a template that was provided by the end users into Clarity. And this is our process indicator displaying the status of that particular load.